In the rapidly evolving landscape of natural language models (LLMs), a new application seems to emerge almost every week, each catering to specific needs in terms of output speed, cost, and quality. However, identifying the best performing models for a given task remains a complex and often unsatisfactory process, leading many to default to the largest model regardless of efficiency. For basic tasks such as summarizing papers, GPT-4 performs adequately, but smaller modules like Llama 8b offer quicker and more cost-effective solutions. Yes, LLM application frequently remains costlier and slower than necessary, with subpar output quality due to improper model selection. Enter Unify, a groundbreaking AI startup tool designed to streamline the process. Unify provides access to nearly all available LLMs through a single API, enabling comparisons based on speed, cost, and quality. Developers can set preference, and Unify's router automatically directs each prompt to the most suitable model. Benefits of Unify: customizable data routing, control over model and provider selection with adjustable latency, cost, and quality settings. Continuous improvement, automatic updates as new models and providers are added. Objective comparisons, transparent benchmarking to identify the best models and providers. Fairness, unbiased measures for speed, cost, and quality. Convenience, access all models and providers with a single API key, query individually or through the router. Unify's router uses a learned neural network to determine the best model for specific tasks. This system learns from extensive benchmarking, using GPT Pro as a judge to assess each model's performance across various tasks. New models are supported quickly, typically within a day or two. Unify's approach allows developers to focus on creating top-tier LLM product without the hassle of constantly updating models and suppliers. The platform's robust comparison engine considers price, processing speed, and output quality, helping developers find the best LLM for tasks ranging from unique text generation to accurate language translation. Registering for Unify account provides access to all the supported models with a single API key. The platform uses a credit system to standardize API fees, with new signups receiving $50 in free credits. In summary, Unify empowers developers by simplifying LLM access and selections, leveraging a powerful comparison engine to balance cost, speed, and quality. This allows for the creation of innovative applications without the usual complexity and inefficiencies. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. If this video is very much helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel Code Space. See you in the next video with another AI use case. Thank you. Till then, keep learning.